My name is Jackson Maloba. I'm the founder and lead consultant at Jacala Solutions, a full-service digital marketing agency based in Nairobi, Kenya. When I came across the program, that is actually what motivated to come in, because I'm a consultant, having been in the field for the past about 8 years. So I thought to come and scale my expertise and to also learn from the audience here. The Strategic Consultancy Accelerator program was very vital for my business, Jacala Solutions, because it came at a very good time. It happened in November of 2025, therefore a time when many consultants are actually preparing for the new year. So I was able to put together a very good structure on how to approach client challenges and also to create proper solution to the client needs. And also, summing it up with a very good agreement that would guarantee clients that at the end of the day, their work is going to be done, and not just getting it done, excellently done. Yeah. After the Strategic Consultancy Accelerator program, I would say the people I've worked with have seen a lot of positive change in terms of approach to work, because I would say we've developed a new tool that would help us gather the client mind before we dive into address the client, problem or need. And that has been a very new approach. Therefore, my colleagues have embraced the tool, and we are working to address client challenges with a lot of enthusiasm. As a consultant, we need to embrace lifelong learning. Therefore, this program will bring in a wide experience from experienced faculty. And I'm also very sure that in those audience, those who are going to join your colleagues also have experience from the different industries, therefore bringing in different approaches in consultancy, therefore offering you a good platform to develop your skill and to improve on your processes in your consultancy work.